In today's video guys, I will be showing to you a new exchange that is alternative into some of the exchanges that you're using right now, and also this is regulated, so it means it has a license, so your funds are safe with this. And this is called PrimeXBT. Okay, so PrimeXBT, you can earn also daily interest from your crypto, and also you will be able to trade whether you are a margin trader, whether you are an investor, or you are investing into a gold or even a stock. You will be able to go directly here. But before that, of course, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates. So let's now start here. So let's now, I'm going to tour you first how you will be able to register. So I will be also putting up the link into the description box below, so that you will be able to register in for yourself, and also enjoy some additional dollar when you deposit something. So you just need an email and password, and then also a phone number, and then after that you are now registered and you can now place your funds inside. So let me just log in here into my account. So let me just log in here. So this is the dashboard of PrimeXBT, and as you can see here, if you make a deposit and start trading, you will be able to enjoy $350 bonus. So this $350 welcome bonus, you need at least 850 USDC for you to enjoy that. But I think it is really perfect if you want to get an additional money that you can use inside as well. So this will also jumpstart you into investing in Bitcoin or Ethereum or something. And the time left usually for this is around 1 hour. Okay, so these are the welcome bonus that you can enjoy when you are going to trade and also invest if you want to. And this is more likely the platform that you are going to see. So first of all, you'll be able to see the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you'll be able to go forward here at the margin, and you'll be able to see the real price. So let's just wait for this to load. So you'll be able to trade it directly here. That's just how simple it is. You're just going to click the trade and just click how many amounts that you want to trade, and just send the order. And after that, you'll be able to see how many orders that you have here, and also the position. So this is the fulfilled orders, as you can see. So you'll be able to see the symbol, the size, the fill price, and the current price, and the profit or loss, and also if you have some take profits or stop loss, which you are going to use if you would like to get some profits or you want to stop the trade. You will be able to see directly here. Now I'm also going to show to you some really cool features about this platform. So this is the harvesting. So if you are familiar with some sort of a copy trade style, then probably this is how it works. Okay, so you're going to follow this signal. If you have this money, let's say you have $1,000, and you will copy the trades that he has, and also if he is lost, you will also lose. But if he is win, you'll also win. So definitely they will get some percentage here. So you're just going to click this part over here. You'll be able to see the name, the equity, and just clicking the follow, and then just click the I confirm, which is the risk disclaimer, and you will be able to see here. So this is the manager fee. So if the trade is profit, he will receive 20% of the profit. And of course, there's also a platform fee, which is going to be reduced as well. And just click click the follow, just put the amount that you want to invest here, and that's pretty much self-explanatory. Now you'll be able to see, or you will be able to filter out um, which traders has the higher gains, and also you will be able to filter out which of this has long-term sustainability like this. Let's say, let's click this one Bitcoin over here. This has been up for more than 516 days, which is more like a year, almost 2 years now. And overall, the total returns was 71.33%. Now, you'll be able to see here, it is gradually increasing, but it is a lot more safer than the other stuff as well. So I guess this guy is investing on Bitcoin, and you can see here that has been an abrupt change in terms of the price. And as you can see, I think most of this is the profitability actually. So you'll be able to see the profitability of the trader. Okay, so these are the good months, these are the bad months, and I think this is pretty much sustainable. As you can see here into the profitability, he's giving 51%. And I guess these guys are this kind of people are more of like a long-term investing, that are aiming to win into the long-term run, not just earning a lot of profits. Okay, so this is the co-vesting. If you need some analysis, you will be able to check it directly here. Okay, so this is the charts by TradingView, and it's actually awesome, guys. I mean, you'll be able to enjoy this really cool, awesome feature wherein you'll be able to put your indicators. You'll be able to compare some charts just by going into here. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. So again, if you're going to use the link, I'm also going to put it into the description box below. You'll be able to enjoy up to $350 bonus if you deposit $850. And also you can also invest on gold here. As you can see here, you can even invest in Japan, on Nasdaq, on national gas, on Spain, on a UK 100, or even in Brent, which is the crude oil as well, and also some gold and silver pairs as well. So this is pretty much the wrap up of this video about PrimeXBT. I guess this is pretty much a good alternative, and if you are a hater of these popular exchanges by then absolutely you can also try PrimeXBT. But what really catch me the most here is that they're including these pairs like gold, S&P 500. So this is really big, and also this is a good alternative that if you do not want to invest on crypto, you can always invest on stocks in PrimeXBT as well. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel for more daily updates like this, and see you on the next video.